What's going on, everyone? Today we are I don't know what we're doing with this, but we were sent this Batman pack with trading cards and gum. So let's go ahead and open this up. When was this? This was 1989, when I was born. Okay, let's see what was popping when I was born in 1989. First, let's show you guys the gum here. Delicious looking. Oh, it just smells like cardboard. I'm not swallowing. Oh, that was disgusting. I had to rinse my mouth out. I couldn't keep it in my mouth any longer. That's what she said. All right, guys. So let's show you the cards here. This says peel, so in the corner it says peel. I don't know if it's a sticker. On the back, it's kind of a half card. So I guess these are from the movie Batman. Murder Just for Laughs. These definitely remind me of the vintage baseball cards that were back in those days. Well, that's a pretty cool card. 132 cards, 22 stickers, picture card series 2. I don't know if there's any value in any of these. Oh, that's cool. That's got that vintage vibes there. I'm gonna have to take a look at them. Oh, it is still in my mouth. Oh man, that was something else. But shout out to the Moon cards for there's a hair stuck on the back of this one. Ew. We should do a DNA test and see. Ew, yeah, and see who it is. All right. Anyway, yeah, these are cool. Thank you for the free pack. I don't think there's any like one of XXX. The Phantom Avenger. Who is Jack? Cleaning the Trigger. Oh, that's a pretty cool card. I've seen modern cards do stuff like that. This is my favorite one. This could, I mean, maybe this card could have some value. We're going to definitely top load that. But it's issue number 1, classic first issue. So it's a copy of the first issue.